shortly after the Second World War.
Yeah, little branches like this.
We're like the first to go.
Yeah, eventually out of every branch line goes bust.
Yep.
And it pretty much, even though Conrail eventually took it and hold it up until like the late 1970s. Yeah, when the road was built, that pretty much was the signal of the end of this line. In fact, but surprisingly, New York Central and then later Penn Central couldn't let this go. So what they did is that they kept it going, and when eventually Conrail came in the 1980s, when eventually Conrail came in the 1970s, eventually they kept it going too. But it was not successful in the Conrail's reign. Eventually, by the early 1980s, they were about to scrap this line, but then a group of businessmen from both Kingston and Phoenicia got together and formed the Catskill Mountain Railroad that you see today. It started back in July of 1983, and well, we've been here ever since then. And today we don't do this as like a major freight hauling line or a major thing. We do this sort of as a hobby, and we do this sort of just to preserve, well, railroad history. By the way,
take a walk in front of the in the back is a curved plow, and in front it's a split plow.
Okay.
Just throw snow off both sides.
by the way, we just stopped at a former station. I don't know what station that is, but
That's a section house.
oh,
It's where the track crews would meet in the morning, get their tools, work on track, come back for lunch, and go home from there.
oh yeah. AKA where the new crew would come in and the old crew would spend the night. Yeah.
So he even says, if you can photograph the label, you can see it.
Earl Petterill's section house. So originally not from this line, but
That's from this line.
oh,
It's not from that location.
oh,
We moved it down to the highway. 5 o'clock one morning.
oh wow. Did you hear that, Adam? It was a section house instead of a station, because you know what I'm like? We're in the middle of nowhere. Who would put a station there? What?
Now we come to the field.
That's what I like about this railroad, is that it goes from an urban area to a field area to a forest area.
To a mountain. It's like you get all everything.
So yeah, that was a section house, Adam. So it wasn't actually a rail station, because who would build a station in that neck of the woods?
Yeah. It's the middle of nowhere.